Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Vanessa Selene, and today I'm gonna have to pack for another speech and debate tournament. But before we do that, I have some news to tell you guys, and make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos. So, you ready for the big news? This is going to be my last tournament in the speech and debate club. The speech and debate league. The speech and debate league is it's not good for me. It's too stressful. So it's gonna be my last tournament. And if some of my viewers are from this league, I do apologize. Right? And if some of my subscribers are from the league too, I do apologize. For that, it's just what's best for me. But I'll do other things instead. So you ready to get on to the packing part? Alright? And let's go ahead and do it. So first of all, I'm going to need to pack some pajamas. Well, we're going to pack a little bit now. Don't know what I'm going to wear because the weather's going to be hot out there. So I got my nightgown, pink nightgown. It's not folded yet. It's only and then I got my, so I have my pink nightgown. Probably need some hose, knowing me. I will need some. My hair is a mess right now. A pair of hose. Right? And that I will bring socks just for fun. I'll just bring some socks too. See, I think I'll bring these socks, maybe the zebra socks, and these socks, my glasses socks. Yeah, I got this for my birthday a few days ago. Bless me, I'm sorry. That one hurt. And then I'm probably going to, let's see here. What else do I need to bring with it? It's kind of hard sometimes to know what I'm going to bring. But I know that I'll show you my shoes I'm going to bring. These are for my digital. These are just the shoes I'm going to bring because I didn't make it in my other two speeches. I'm not going to bring my flats because I didn't make it. So I'm going to show you probably what I'm going to wear. I might wear a suit. I don't know. Not yet. I'll probably have to wear a dress and a jacket. How does that sound, guys? I'm probably going to wear, let's see here. Maybe my blue dress and my black jacket. Because I could re-wear something. Because I might not be competing on Saturday because I am not good at speech today. So here's my black jacket. And then I'm thinking about bringing a suit. But I have my pinstripe and my brown suit. Don't know which wear. How about a pinstripe? I don't know which one. So, that's to decide. I might wear my pinstripe or my black. I'll show you both those. Right here's my pinstripe suit. It's in the bag still. Sorry if you couldn't see, I just pulled out of the closet like this. And here's my brown suit. Sorry if you, that show you what they look like, kind of. So I'm not so sure because if I packed my brown suit or my pinstripe suit, I would have to bring a shirt too. Of course I would have to bring a shirt. Of course. I would have to bring a shirt. But anyway, I'm going to get some more things that I might need. Alright. So, I am probably going to take my, so I might have to stay in the hotel room a lot because I'm not going to compete in much. I compete on one speech. So, hi Caroline. I might have to do, I might have to bring some things. Sorry? I might have to bring some things. And when I said hi Caroline, I would just say it was so random. Sorry, that was just talking to my fish for a moment. So, I'm probably going to go swimming at the hotel. So, I'm going to pack my new prescription goggles in the case. And then I'm going to probably pack my swimsuit. I don't think I'm going to pack my practice swimsuit. Maybe just like a swim dress. I'm going to ask Mom to get that out. I think I'm going to pack the new one. I think it has cherries on it. I don't remember. I think my old one had cherries on it. See, I can't remember what swim dress I have. Because I only know this swimsuit and it's my practice one. But anyway, it smells like chlorine. I like this smell of chlorine. And I pack my towel pants. These are an amazing invention, people. My towel pants are amazing. Because they're from my grandmother. She made them out of beach towels. 2 beach towels. And not only that, but they're just really good for people, like swimmers like me. It's really good for people like swimmers, who are swimmers like me. Alright, and then I don't think what else I should bring. I know we're going to bring my puzzle easel, and a puzzle, okay, go show that to you right now. And we're going to bring a really fancy dress and a mask. I'll show that to you tomorrow when we do the day 1 of regionals, day 1 of the tournament, or how about the travel day and social day with that party. So I'll show you guys my dress and my mask for the masquerade, and then right. So yeah, and I'm not gonna pack my toiletries right now because I'll have to do that tomorrow, like my toothbrush, like that. And I'm not gonna pack my mouth guard and my eye ointment. That's tomorrow. Tomorrow's thing. But I believe I'm gonna have to make sure my script is still here. That's my outline for my paper. I have so many things in here. Trying to bend down and find it. Alright, from my open script, which I don't need any longer, from my script. I'll show you the back of it. Script. Digital script. I couldn't show you because I'm still competing and I'm planning on posting this today, so I cannot show you that. But might have my mom video that I might have my brother or my mom video me doing my digital and 1 round so you can see it. And then I'm going to probably practice my open a bit so I can show you guys my open and do an impromptu speech. So also I need my computer bag. Set that out and my remote. Put that in there. I need a lot of stuff because we have a lot of rules. Oh, we need this guy too. This goes in the remote. I wish I noticed it was out. There you go. Put that in the pocket. I'm gonna need my timer. Fancy timer. Sometimes it's hard to stop. But it's okay. And I'm gonna need my computer charger. I'll go get that. And then, woo. I don't want to lose my balance. I'm going to bring my backpack, of course. Then I'm probably going to bring this, which is a great invention. It's rubbing alcohol in water. I made it up myself. This is a cleaning spray for your glasses. So I'm definitely going to bring that. But I'm also going to bring this, or a cleaning cloth. This is basically a cleaning cloth in a bag. You just pull it. You know what? I might bring that for tournaments and then bring my glasses, case, and my cleaning cloth that comes in there to the tournament. To the tournament, excuse me, in the hotel room. You guys see how my brain is kind of tired today. So, I also have to do a lot more packing. It's going to be warm, so I might need to pack some clothes. Well, of course I need to pack clothes. But I'm going to pack a couple more stuff. I'm planning on packing my tablet and a book. Or maybe a book, I don't know. Yeah, a book. And then, excuse me. It's going to be a lot of things I'm going to pack, so I cannot show them you guys all of that today. And I do apologize for you almost over 11 minutes with me talking like this. It's allergies. It's a bad idea it's a bad idea if you work outside during the spring and you have allergies like me. But it's okay. Excuse me. So I'm planning on packing some shoes. I'm going to show you the shoes I might wear. I might wear these. These are really comfy. Or I might wear, oh yeah, because we have a pool, I'm going to need my flip-flops, my sandals. Definitely need those. Just remember that. And then I might bring these. My aunt gave them to me. They're really comfy. I don't know what I'm going to bring there. So, that's about all I can do right now, apparently, because I am running blank about the ideas. So, hang on, I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, so here's what's going to tell you what I have to do today, alright? Besides finish packing, we're going to go have some dinner at Wasabi. I love Wasabi. And then we're going to, we're in a movie first, and then Wasabi. So, but I have to do school, and I have to finish packing because we're leaving tomorrow. Yay! That's kind of how I feel. Yay, but yay, I'm excited. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just found one more thing I don't want to bring. These are gonna go great with my speech. Sorry about that. These are gonna go great with my speech. I don't know if you can see them. These are earrings, by the way. Glasses earrings. I don't know where my other one went. Got those for my birthday. And I might bring this. I don't know. Might bring my bracelet, my Kentucky bracelet. It has 3 charms on it. It has, kind of hard to show you and hold the phone at my camera at the same time. It has this Kentucky charm, UK. It has this charm. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of tiny. It's like Kentucky. It's Kentucky, and it says Heart KY on it. It's the shape of Kentucky, by the way. It's a Kentucky state, and it has the shape of Kentucky. And it has Heart KY on it, and then it has this charm. Yeah, and it's 3 bracelets. I might bring that. Then I just gotta sneak that Kentucky in if you're like a Kentucky fan like me. And I might bring some snacks. Or who knows what I'll bring. I will see you guys tomorrow with another video about the tournament. Bye!